I'll show you exactly how to remove a PayPal account limitation and get your funds moving again. Whether you're a seller dealing with a sudden spike in sales or a personal user flagged for unusual activity, I've got the updated steps to resolve these restrictions fast. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before we start the process, there is one golden rule. Always log in directly through the official PayPal app or website. If you receive an email saying your account is limited, don't click any links. Go directly to paypal.com or open your app to see if the limitation is actually listed in your dashboard. Once you've logged in, look for the bell icon or a red banner on your home screen. Tap it or navigate to Settings and select Resolution Center. This is where PayPal lists exactly why your account was paused. The most common triggers are reaching a certain transaction volume, like the $7,500 threshold, triggers mandatory ID checks. Logins from a new device or a VPN, a sudden increase in sales or selling a new category of high-risk items like jewelry or electronics. The Resolution Center will give you a list of steps to remove limitation. You'll usually need to upload clear, high-quality photos of the following: your current passport, driver's license, or national ID as proof of identity. Make sure all four corners of the document are visible in the photo. A utility bill, bank statement, or insurance letter dated within the last 3 to 6 months as proof of address. If you're a merchant, you'll need to provide tracking numbers or supplier invoices to prove you actually have the items you're selling. Note that PayPal now uses facial biometric verification. You might be asked to take a video selfie through the app to match your face to your uploaded ID. This is often the fastest way to get verified. After you submit your documents, the status will change to under review. Typically, PayPal reviews these cases within 3 business days, though complex business reviews can take up to 5 days. You can check if the limitation can be lifted just by changing your password and updating your security questions. Sometimes this is all PayPal needs to confirm you haven't been hacked. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.